Y'all, do you see the fucking glow? I am glowing. I'm putting y'all on motherfucking game. Don't play with me.
Tall just a little bit. Shine just a little bit. You don't drink like it is.
Hey y'all, right now I am going to go to TJ Maxx. I'm not buying anything today. I just kind of want to see what is at TJ Maxx. Actually leaving the studio because I am teaching a private class today. I got to the studio kind of early. I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx because there's one that's like 9 minutes from here. So I'm gonna go and see what's at TJ Maxx because I have not been to TJ Maxx in like years. Like when I say years, I mean like since I was probably a fetus. It's been a long time. So we're gonna go and see what they have because I believe Marshalls and TJ Maxx are kind of the same, just different, you know, brands, like names and whatnot. Look at that move. So I actually found the body toner at TJ Maxx. It's made in Japan, by the way. This is what I had saw on the video that I seen on Pinterest. This is what the woman used. I will put her video up above. I am going to be using this. It's a moisturizing conditioner, but it literally is a body toner. So you can use it obviously for your face too. Completely in Japanese, but they put this like sticker on it so you can like read it. So yeah, so I bought the body toner. So we got one thing off the list. So tomorrow when I go shopping, Marshalls, I'm gonna pick up the other stuff. Need to get new spray bottles for, you know, my hair as well. So that's what I'm gonna be. Is that a dog? Oh my God, it is a dog with no people in it. They left the window open for him, so that's why I looked. Anyway, tomorrow I'm gonna be going shopping at Marshalls so we can start doing the skin flooding. But yeah, I'm really excited to start the skin flooding. If you didn't check out my last video, I talk about skin flooding a little bit and I will talk about it a little bit more this Sunday. It's pretty much like a way to like hydrate and nurture your body. Like when you do your skincare, you're gonna like use a toner to like moisturize your skin. So I just want to like really hydrate my body. And again, as a pole dancer, literally in the studio right now, I do not hydrate my body enough because of pole. Sunday is like my day off, so I'm going to really start my skin flooding, and I'll show y'all what it's gonna be within 2 weeks, what my body looks like. But I'm gonna give you like a full view of what my skin is looking like right now. So in 2 weeks from now, when I am doing my skin flooding, we're gonna see like a difference. I finally went shopping. I went to Marshalls, and yesterday I took y'all with me to go to TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna show you all the products that I got from Marshalls today. So first we're gonna start off with body care. So I was doing like a lot of research when it comes to like body care, skincare, and stuff like that. Like I stated in my last video where I talk about how like our body washes can have like toxics, you know, fragrance can be toxic for our body and stuff like that. But I was looking up really great body washes. So I came across this body wash here. It's made in Korea. What it says on the back, it says leave skin feeling balanced, refreshed, long lasting, nurturing ingredients, herbs, enrichment, and milky bubble technology. I saw it on Pinterest first, but it was a TikTok video. But I was like, okay, I'm gonna pick this up because they sell this at Marshalls. So the next thing that I wanted to buy is a body scrub. Okay, I bought this collagen body scrub. I really like the smell. Saw this and I was like, I want to pick this up. I want to love the color. Revitalizing body scrub. It infuses with collagen, exfoliating and renewing your like skin. So I'm gonna see how this works. Now, skin flooding. Share with you guys and help you guys so you guys can, you know, come along on this journey. Moisturizing conditioner, this toner lotion, it's for the body. I bought these bottles today from Marshalls. So these are mist bottles. I'm going to put this into this, and when I get out the shower, as my body is still really wet and still really drenched, I'm going to like spray my mist bottle all over my body. That is pretty much what skin flooding is. And what it is, it's like maximum hydration. And then to seal that in, after I spray it all over my body and it starts to like absorb, I am going to be using this shea butter here. So my mom got this shea butter from Whole Foods, I believe, used with lavender as well as coconut oil. So after I spray all of that on my body, I'm going to seal it in with that shea butter. And mind you, this thing is a body toner, but I wanted to buy a toner for my face. I saw this at Marshalls. It's a collagen plumping toner. It's a Korean brand as well. I am going to use this in the morning. I just peeped that it said AM, but it is made in South Korea. So I am going to try this. This is gonna be my morning toner. And then for nighttime will be this toner. Okay, so now when it comes to moisturizing my skin, I bought this day cream. It's a Korean brand as well, and it has vitamin C and collagen in it. My friend that I have told y'all about, she made it clear to me that vitamin C is really important for our body. I'm gonna see how my skin reacts to this. This is a moisturizer, and I was like, we're gonna kick it up a notch because we're taking our like skincare journey really serious, and I am going to be doing this for nighttime. It's a moisturizing night cream. This is like really a new journey of me like really taking care of my skin, and I'm really excited to like have y'all come along on this journey. So that's all that it comes to like my body care as well as my skincare. Now I'm gonna show y'all when it comes to the products that I bought for my hair. So I am on this journey where I want to wear my hair in its natural texture more. I've been doing some research on keratin, and I'm not in a place where I'm ready to get like a keratin treatment or even do it myself, because I looked that there's at-home keratin treatments that you can do, but every person that I looked at, their hair looked fried to me, and I'm not gonna do that. This is what I'm going to do. So I saw this keratin smooth mask, but it says it's for damaged and dry hair, and there's a pH balance in it. I don't know too much about Lisette brand, but I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna see. And then I know this brand, so it's a shampoo and conditioner, and it has keratin in it. So I wanted to like try these to see if it's gonna help with my hair from being frizzy, and also just like laying down my hair a lot more, because again, I really want to like grow my hair and have it be healthier, because I know keratin is really great for our hair. And I found this Jamaican black castor oil for your hair, and it's for your body, and it is made in Jamaica. So I wanted to definitely buy this and try this. I want to start doing like more oiling my scalp and my hair more consistently. And the last thing that I bought for just like nice scent in the room, I bought this like vanilla like mist. I smelled it the last time when I was at the store, and I was like, I want to buy this. So this is what I'm going to be spraying in my bed, in my room. I'm going to finish eating, and then I'm going to hop in the shower and wash my hair. I'm going to try this mask today and see how I feel about it. I just finished washing my hair using the keratin shampoo, and I put the mask, the Lisette, I hope I'm saying it right, but the Lisette mask with the keratin protein in it. With the Chi protein shampoo, it's very stripping, but that's kind of what I expected since it's keratin shampoo. It's not really like to hydrate or anything. It's to really cleanse your hair. It's really great for like straightening your hair. But I will sit here and say that I do feel like my strands were really strong after I used that shampoo. And putting in the keratin mask, love how it felt on my hair. I'm about to sit under the hooded dryer. I have my hooded dryer right here for about like 20 minutes. It said 10 to 15 minutes, but my hair is thick, so I'm probably gonna sit under the hooded dryer for a good 20 to 30 minutes before hopping back into the shower and rinsing out the mask and then putting in the keratin Chi. Good morning, goddesses. It is my second day of skin flooding. So I started skin flooding on Sunday, and today is Tuesday. I'm not doing skin flooding every day. I'm only doing skin flooding like at least like 3 times a week, just to see right now how my body is reacting to the toner on my body. I realized that like I'm kind of itchy over here, And over here too, I don't know if that has to do with skin flooding. Looking at my body right now in the camera, like, I really am glowing. Let me break down what I am doing specifically when it comes to skin flooding. So when I am in the shower, I'm using all of my body soaps. So I have 2 body soaps I showed y'all when I went to Marshalls. So I'm using like the goat milk. I'm using that first to like cleanse my body. And then I'm using my strawberry hydration, very moisturizing, but it smells like strawberries. And then I am using collagen scrub that I just bought. Then I turn off the shower and I put the body lotion toner in the spray bottle and I spray my body down while in the shower, dripping wet. So Sunday I did it 3 times. Yesterday was Monday, so I did it yesterday. Only sprayed my body once yesterday because I was like, I don't want to do all that, because when I stepped out the shower on Sunday dripping wet, it took a long time for it to like absorb. So I sprayed my body once and I rubbed it in, and then I stepped out the shower and let it like absorb into my body. The one thing that I missed doing yesterday, using shea butter. Sunday I used shea butter to like seal it in on my body. With that being said, that might be what I'll do, is like every other day I'll add in shea butter after spraying the toner all over my body. But y'all, do you see the fucking glow? I am glowing. My skin, I don't really feel like it glowed. Like my skin, like my face was always glowy, and I feel like my skin was kind of glowy, but not how it's going now, bro. I'm putting y'all on motherfucking game. Don't play with me. The whole point of doing skin flooding and my hygiene routine overall is because like this is something that I want to stick to even when I'm older. That's something that's really important. Like even when it comes to like my fitness, like pole fitness, like that's what I do to work out. That's how, y'all, I ain't gonna lie to you, my body tea. I shocked myself because like I've been having a lot of stomach issues, but I did go to the sauna today. So I want to sit here and say the sauna really helped. My whole thing is just like getting my body together, but ultimately like my hygiene routine, my hair care routine, like everything, I want it to be tea. I want everything to be fucking tea, okay? I want to be that Pinterest girl. I want to be that girl, point blank, period. With that being said, I just want to forewarn you, you are probably going to be in the bathroom for close to maybe an hour. Is it worth it? Yes. I've been in the bathroom probably way longer than a fucking hour. But when it comes to setting a new routine, just be aware, and you need to do it religiously. Create the discipline, consistency. Okay, this is something that we want to do consistently. I am spraying my body down once in the shower and then rubbing it in. I noticed when I was in the shower, after doing the dry brushing, toner, body lotion kind of stung a little bit. So note of that. It was like a little, like, you know what I mean? It was a little, So I'm just aware of that now because it's like, okay, my skin is adjusting to using toner. This is another reason to why I am doing skin flooding. So I have talked about this a little bit, being a dancer, going to the studio and stuff. In the last 4 years, I just don't moisturize my skin as much anymore. I made it very apparently clear to myself. I'm like, you know, regardless, I'm gonna hydrate my skin. I'm gonna moisturize my skin at night. One of the things that I noticed, like I've gotten eczema within the last 2 years. I get it on my hands, and I kind of noticed like a couple days ago, I think it was starting to flare up. I don't know if y'all can see, but I also kind of get it on my arm. You can't see it right now, but that's where I've noticed that I've gotten my eczema, is on my hands and on my arm areas and whatnot. So I kind of noticed when I'm in the shower, and maybe because I'm doing all of this stuff every night, I don't know, we're gonna see how this goes. It's just only in these 2 areas, like on my arm, which is where the eczema is. So I think that's why it kind of like stings a little bit when the soap, as well as using the toner on my body. But those are the only 2 areas. So just FYI, if you do have eczema, you might get a little sting, you might have a little irritation or something like that. I'm just gonna pay close attention to it. Again, it is because of the last 4 years and the 2 years prior of not moisturizing, hydrating my body, that I've gotten eczema. We're not doing that. This gotta go. No. We're on day number 3 of doing the skin flooding. I'm gonna see how we do for the rest of this week. I will check in with y'all. So far, so good. I'm loving how shiny my skin is. I just want to talk about my skin real quick. So I noticed that I have a couple of pimples here. I've added new products to my skincare routine. For the last 2 weeks, it's been oil cleanser, the foamer, and the toner, and then my daily moisturizer with CeraVe. Now I have the oil cleanser, foam cleanser, toner, and it is an AM toner. So that might be the issue, and I've only used it for 2 days. So today I used the body toner instead on my face instead of using the AM toner. Maybe that might be the reason to why my face has a couple of pimples. And then the cream, I have an AM cream and a night cream. Know if that could be the reason. But I'm gonna start with the toner and stop using the AM toner to see if these go away. So it's a couple of pimples. If you check out one of my latest videos, like I, had a lot of pimples over here and stuff like that. Sometimes, not all the time, but you have to pay attention to it. When you start using new products, your skin is going to react, and it can, obviously react with pimples. With that being said, I'm going to, like I said, pay attention to the AM toner that I'm using. I'm going to stop using it at night and see if that changes anything. Let's see if that does something, because that might be one of the issues. I'm gonna give it 2 weeks to see how my skin reacts. If I'm still getting pimples and stuff, it's not too bad, but I'm just gonna pay attention to that.
I'm watching this video on TikTok. Mind you, I have not really been on TikTok, but this video has me in literal f***ing tears. And I hope y'all think it's funny. I think this is funny. I'm about to play it. It's always the comments for me that make it funny. It was like he was asleep and comfortable. Why did you wake him? And then somebody was like, he probably just as confused as you. And when that bird turned his head to look, and he was like, he turned his head and looked at the camera. That took me out, bro. Say the music is also what was killing the fuck out of me. I don't know, because I'm like, what is this music? I'm not explaining myself no more. I think it's funny. I don't care if y'all think it's funny. You get my humor.